Giulio Mazarini, July 14, 1602, March 9, 1661. Giulio Mazarini was a church and political figure and the first minister of France in 1643 to 1651 and 1653 to 1661. He was a favorite of Queen Anne of Austria. Maria Stuart, December 8, 1542, February 8, 1587. Mary Stuart was Queen of Scots from the sixth day of her life, actually ruling from 1561 until her deposition in 1567, as well as Queen of France from 1559 to 1560, and a pretender to the English throne. James Cook, October 27th, 1728, February 14th, 1779. James Cook was a British naval sailor, explorer, cartographer and discoverer, Fellow of the Royal Society and Captain in the Royal Navy. He led 3 round-the-world expeditions to explore the world's oceans. Elizabeth Bathory, August 7th, 1560, August 21st, 1614. Elisaveta Bathory was a Hungarian countess of the famous Bathory family, the richest aristocrat of Hungary of her time, gave birth to 4 children. Her uncle Stefan Bathory was King of Poland. Cesare Borgia, September 13, 1475, March 12, 1507. Cesare Borgia was an Italian nobleman who served as a cardinal in the Catholic Church, and after retirement as a mercenary soldier, killed in battle. Hilda of Whitby, 1614 AD, November 17, 680 AD. Saint Hilda was a Christian saint, founder and abbess of the monastery at Whitby, where the Synod of Whitby was held. An important figure in the transition of the Anglo-Saxons from paganism to Christianity. Ivan V, September 6, 1666. February 8, 1696. Ivan V Alexeyevich was a Russian Tsar of the Romanov dynasty, son of Tsar Alexei Mikhailovich and Tsarina Maria Ilyinichna Miloslavskaya. Philip I of Orleans, September 21, 1640, June 9, 1701. Philip I, Duke of Orleans, son of Louis XIII of France and Anne of Austria, younger brother of Louis XIV of France. Francis Drake, 1540, January 28, 1596. Francis Drake was a legendary English pirate who circumnavigated the globe and became an admiral. Catherine Valois, October 27, 1401, January 3, 1437. Catherine of Valois, or Catherine of France, was Queen of England, daughter of King Charles VI of France and Isabella of Bavaria. Ludovic XVI, August 23, 1754, January 21, 1793. Ludovic XVI, after September 21, 1792, officially called Louis Capet, King of France of the Bourbon dynasty, son of the Dauphin Louis Ferdinand. Niccolò Machiavelli, May 3, 1469, June 21, 1527. Niccolò di Bernardo Machiavelli was an Italian thinker, politician, philosopher, writer, author of military theoretical works. Empress Nara, March 11, 1718, August 19, 1766. Empress Nara of the Manchu blue-banded Ulanara clan was the second wife of Emperor Qianlong. She was the empress consort of the Qing dynasty from 1750 until her death in 1766. Avdotia Golitsina, August 15, 1780, January 30th, 1850. Princess Avdotia Ivanovna Golitsina, née Ismailova, known by the nicknames Princesse Nocturne, Princess of the Night, and Princesse Minuit, Princess of Midnight. One of the most beautiful women of her time, mistress of the literary salon, wife of Prince S.M. Golitsyn.